Hello everyone! Today I will be unboxing my organizers!
Ano na yung order din sa Shopee? Sa TikTok?
TikTok.
Sa Shopee na yung order na ako?
Oh,
Agoy, unsa mo ito nilagpot? Ano ako? Mag-unboxing ka, maghinay lang ka. Ala! Mabuak man na, ano eh?
oh. Ano?
Oh, it's damaged. Sabi, wait. If it's damaged, no? We'll ask for refund.
No.
Galing kayo, nag-video ta.
There's some broken pieces.
Ano yun ang broken pieces? Oh.
But it still looks nice.
Oo. Buak ko.
Oh,
So, we have it replaced. I will send to the seller. It's broken. Okay. So, the other one.
okay na siya.
Okay, this is
Yay!
good. So, the other one is good. So, refund na to na isa. So, for the meantime, nagali crack ko. There's a crack. But it's okay. Still usable. So, this one. Ito, basag. Ito yung mga broken parts.
Oh no!
Shattered glass. Oh, nice. Plastic. Okay. So, I'm gonna put this in the box. It's damaged.
Hello guys, this is the finished product. Even though my other one is still broken, this still looks nice. I like it. Thank you so much, Papa, for buying me. Also, Mama San.
Wow, nice. Kabit na ako sa sulod na lang, be. So, diha is your crayons.
And then I got my eraser, a stamp, and some stickers, double-sided tape.
Okay.
And then I got these sticker things. And I also got my markers back here.
Markers ulit.
And I got some bookmarks here.
Okay.
And then I got my scissors. And then these are my color pencils and my pencils and I use for drawing.
Okay. Nice.
Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.